Okay, remember that Mainstays 9-inch personal box fan I got the other day? The blue model. Well, here it is again. After some oiling, and I did a little bit of inspecting on the inside when I had it apart, and I noticed there's one kind of major flaw this thing had right out of the box. Not even joking either. One of these blades is cracked really bad. Right there. But I mean, it doesn't really affect much, but really, come on Walmart. You could have done better there. I mean, I bought that at Walmart and it works fine. But anyway, I bought it at Walmart. They were clearing out the fans for $5. I guess that's what you get for $5, but oh well. But I mean, other than that, it works. I took it apart, oiled the motor up. I guess I could return it, but whatever. It was $5. Not much to really write home about. Let's see if that'll focus. Focus. U.S. patent pending. Model MBF. I've had it there for a second. MBF. Come on, quit that. MBF 918. Made in China. Made third month of this year. Changyan Electric Company Limited. 9-inch personal box fan. And there's 0.7 amps. 45 watts. Yeah. Not much to write home about, but I don't know why I bought it. It was kind of an impulse buy, I guess. But here it is nevertheless. After I oiled it, it did seem to help it quite a bit. Here's high. Moved a lot more air than it did before. I don't know what that ticking is, but it does run a little bit better, and it seems to move pretty good air, so I'm not complaining there. I'm just kind of upset about the cracked blade. I don't know if you could even order another blade for it or not. Maybe you can, I don't know. But anyway, there's a 9-inch personal box fan by Mainstays. 3 speeds. Quiet operation. It's fairly quiet. But anyway, there's that. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.